geometry, covering circles, theorems, lines, as well as angles. Right, given a circle like this, and this part is called a chord, and this one is the major arc. From this point up to this point, that's what we are calling the major arc. Then this one is the minor arc, this one from this point in blue. All right, given a circle like this, and then this one is the major segment, and then the minor segment, like this. All right, so let us proceed to the theorem. The angle that an arc of a circle subtends at the center is twice the size of an angle that it subtends at any point on the remaining part of the circumference. Let us consider this circle, right? We have got this arc, and an arc of a circle subtends at the center. This is the center, and this angle is twice the angle, the size of an angle that it subtends at any point on the circumference. The remaining part of the circumference, this one, at the circumference. The angle which is formed from the vertex, from the end of the arc at the circumference, it is half the one at the center. And again, this is the same as this one. It is equal to that one, right? And again, even if it crosses like this one, the angle simply remains the same. But please don't make a mistake. Avoid this mistake. Many students are confused here. If the vertex point is not at the circumference, the theorem doesn't apply. It is like this at this point. The theorem doesn't apply if it is like this. Because let us compare this point and this point. Here, center yedu iri panapa, then arc yedu ndiyo iri panapa, zvakafanana nekunoku. Then from the end of the arc to the circumference, this angle is half the one at the center from the same point here. But look at this one. This point from the end of the arc, yes, but the vertex point does not lead to the circumference, so the theorem doesn't apply. Never ever assume that this one is half of this one, or to say this one is 2 times this one. That's wrong. Right? You have to make sure that this concept is correct. So let us proceed. I'm going to explain, even if we are using the other part of the circumference, this part, the concept still applies. This one, this angle, this major angle, which we can obtain by saying from this one, if this one is 2x, to obtain this side angle, we simply say with 360 kupisa 2x tonai. Saka pari tinotamboimisa we have represented it by 2y. So it means that this side is equal to 2 times this angle, or in other words, this one is half of this one. Ndo zvinotaura theorem iyo chete chete, hapana kana chakambooma. So go ahead and answer the following questions to enhance your understanding, and I will see you in the next lessons, boys and girls. Good day.